Yo, what's soup? So for the sim rig, looking at being able to make better parts, got the lathe, got an old Geo 704 converted to CNC mill. It's alright, but every time I start this thing up, there's something else to fix. So taking the next step forward, and I got a Langmuir MR-1 system here in the garage. That will be able to machine wood, steel, aluminum, hopefully whatever this little shop needs. But we're on to the concrete pour. So if you don't know what an MR-1 is, you order it, comes in a bunch of damn boxes. Very happy with their organization. Each bag's got similar to an IKEA bullshit where it tells you what it is and what it's for, base machine, and the instructions are totally online. They do give you 7 days to look through every single box, and there's about 20 here, and then email them anything that may be missing. So I don't really agree with that, and I kind of gave up because it's going to take more than a week to put this together. And given that you kind of don't know what to do until you get there, they don't give you much time, which I'm sure that's in here for people saying, hey, I didn't get my steppers, or I'm missing the control box, or I'm missing the PC. Well, that's just a scam, and those people suck. That's probably what that's there for, not for the honest people. But did get the enclosure with it that will keep the slosh around on the flood coolant. And I did not order the drain kit, mostly because if you order the drain kit from Langmuir, it comes with the bottom bucket, including the pump and a bunch of cabling and wiring and a relay that goes to the master PC to be able to use the control software to turn it on and off, depending on what your G-code's doing. For $300, it just didn't pass the sniff test, and the motor seemed undersized. That I didn't like it. So here, got some Home Depot drains. I'm using a piece of 1/4-inch rod to hold these down to the base plate. Right now, a piece of temporary wood underneath to keep things stable while this concrete base is being poured to add mass to the lower shelf here. This will be the machining plate that gets set in that mass, and then the y-axis tram head, or I don't remember what the hell that thing's called. I'm having a brain fart, but yeah, that'll be up here, and it's going well. It's going well. I'm not using the concrete though. I'm going to use an epoxy granite mix that I've been working on in my kitchen for about a week, trying to formulate what is the most dense epoxy granite that I can form. I made a bunch of samples, and it turns out to be about 40% sand, 40% base material, small gravels, a little bit of glass beads from Harbor Freight, the blasting beads, and 80 grit aluminum silica to add additional damping capability. So yeah, once I get that mixed up and in here, I might give you a little more detail. That's it for now. Later.